What's going on, guys? So this week I was looking for a birthday gift for my wife and I found this. This is 100% down comforter, and inside the blanket you have goose duck feather. This is a king size. Look at the box. 15-inch by 12-inch by 6.5, and the weight is 7 pounds. And now we're talking about a blanket for a king size bed. Let's open it. Sorry, that's the only knife I have, so let's open it. Okay, that was not supposed to be my birthday. It's supposed to be the birthday of my wife, but oh crap. Okay, so what they did, they suck all the air. Wow, it's still heavy. It's still 7 pounds. So now I'm not sure if I open it, probably it's going to pop in my face. I'm not sure. I don't see any, no zipper, nothing. Cut. Okay, so you have a warning. To avoid danger or suffocation, keep this bag away from baby and children. Let's open it. I'll put this away. Okay, the color I choose, it was gray. I think my wife, she's going to really love it. You know something? Let's put it on the bed to see if she's going to love it. Okay, so the color is perfect. Gray, that's the color we order. And the size king, yeah, is really a good size. The bed we have is a queen, so the size is perfect too. They said you need to leave it a while because that's going to inflate. I don't know if you can see, but my dog loves it. As you can see, it's wrinkled and flat. What I've read on Amazon, it's supposed to inflate 1 or 2 weeks. If you like this video, don't forget to ring the bell and don't forget to thumbs up, and like always, don't forget to subscribe, and see you on another one with Lucky.